Hi, my name is Pam Doneen, and what I'm going to go over with you in this video is what I eat on Nutrisystem in a day. I'm actually going to do 7 days worth, so you can see what a whole week looks like. And another thing I need to touch on, they do alter the programs a little bit for individuals. It depends on how much weight you have to lose, if you're male or female, how active you are. They adjust the calories, and how they do that is by adjusting what they call smart carbs and power fuels, that you would eat more or less of those items. I'm on a program where I eat 3 power fuels a day, which is 80 to 120 calories with 5 grams of protein at least in a serving, and 1 smart carb, which is 80 to 120 calories with at least 1 gram of fiber in it. Then the other thing that people get are, you get what they call is extras, and I get 3 of those a day, and that is 10 to 35 calories in an item. Like my coffee cream is 35 calories every morning, so I count that as an extra. Salad dressing, if you use spreads, those would be extras, anything 10 to 35 calories, and I get 3 of those. And then they have free foods, which of course are your non-starchy vegetables, which are, and you actually have to have 3 servings of those. And then also things like ketchup or broth, cooking spray, anything that's 10 calories or less is considered a free food. So anyway, I will go over my day of eating.
Every morning, I start my day with a cup of coffee. And I used 1 tablespoon of this Coffee Mate. The peppermint's out right now, so it's really good. 1 tablespoon is 35 calories, so that is an extra. I tried the sugar-free and didn't like them, so I just do 1 tablespoon. I know when I wasn't doing Nutrisystem, I probably was doing 2 before Nutrisystem. So anyway, just the 1 tablespoon of Coffee Mate this morning, and I'm gonna go have my cup of coffee and start my day.
One of the things I do every morning is come into my laundry room. I have a water purifier in here, and so I use these 2 40-ounce water bottles, and I fill these every morning, and then by the time the day's over, I have them both gone. So then I have drank 80 ounces of water. And I've actually done this for years. So just part of my day. I don't even know how many years I've done it now, but I'm gonna get going. Thought I would show you what I have going for breakfast this morning. I'm making Tim and I the pineapple pancakes that I made in another video. And what it is a half a cup of the crushed pineapple, which is 80 calories and 1 gram of fiber. So that's a smart carb. 2 teaspoons of the Splenda brown sugar, which is 15 calories per teaspoon. So I'm using 2. So that is an extra. Then 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, one egg, which is a power fuel, and then my pancake mix. For Tim's pancake mix, I'm using the Kodiak cakes, which is a protein pancake mix. And for a half a cup of this, it's 190 calories with 14 grams of protein. I didn't use a full half a cup, so it's probably very similar to the protein in the Nutrisystem, because the Nutrisystem pack is 160 calories with 10 grams of protein. So when I am on maintenance, I will use these Kodiak cake pancakes. And then I also sprayed the non-stick spray in the pan. So I'm caramelizing the pineapple and brown sugar, and then I'm going to put it in my mixture of pancake mix, and then I will show you my end product. Okay, I cooked them on the same temperature, but look what I did to Tim's. It's not completely burnt, but brother, mine looks perfect. Now I'm going to spray, I can't believe it's not butter on them, and that's 0 calories, so that's free. And then this sugar-free pancake syrup, and that is only 15 calories for 2 tablespoons. So I could actually use 4 tablespoons for an extra, and that'd be 30 calories. So what the pancake is pineapple, Smart Carb, Splenda Extra, an egg, Power Fuel. The syrup is an extra. So it's a Power Fuel, a Smart Carb, and 2 extras, as well as my Nutrisystem breakfast. So we are going to eat these, and then I'm going to go help Tim on the farm a little bit. I'll show you my afternoon food. We made a pit stop to feed our critters because everybody's got to eat, right, Max? Oh, you're so sweet. He is just the sweetest. So this is Max, Ranger, and April. So yeah. So for a snack today, I am having Muscle Milk Light. It's only 100 calories and 20 grams of protein. And I am helping my husband organize a shop that hasn't been organized in probably 80 years. In fact, let me show you something we found. An old tractor seat. I mean, that's ancient. So that's kind of the stuff we're finding in there. And I try to help him when I can because he is working full-time, plus took over the farm 5 years ago. So anyway, I'm just showing you it's so peaceful up here. I do like it up here. But anytime I can help him, I do try to help out a little bit. Those pancakes we had this morning though, they stuck with us, and he really liked his pancake, even though I made his a little more well done than I had planned. But anyway, I'm going to drink this and go back in and try to organize. Okay, we stopped for lunch, and I am just having this bar because it's super handy to have, even though we have a microwave over there that I could have used and a little mini fridge. But nope, this is easier for me. I would prefer, I'll show you around for a second what we're cleaning. This is what we're working on. Oh my goodness, but we're making progress. It'll be okay. And here's Tim.
Hello.
So, yeah. But anyway, I'm going to go eat my bar and get back to work. I am back home now, and we got so much done. We're going to do it again more this winter. But anyway, I didn't have any vegetables yet, so I am having a great big glass of tomato juice. I heat it in the microwave because then it reminds me of tomato soup, and I love tomato soup. And for this, it is 50 calories for 8 ounces, but you don't have to worry about the calories with the vegetables. You just eat as many vegetables, non-starchy vegetables, as you want. So anyway, this is definitely more than 8 ounces, but I'm going to go enjoy this, and I will touch base when I have something else. This evening, I am going to have 4 ounces of wine because you get to have it twice a week. And what I do is I put ice in mine and let it melt a little bit because then it seems like more, and then I really sip it slowly. So this is my one time 4 ounces, and then I'll do it one other time because I do it twice a week. The vegetable I am making for dinner tonight is stir-fried zucchini and onion. I cut up a whole onion and then 4 little zucchinis, and I'm going to split it with Tim. And what I'm going to do
is put a fourth of a cup of Parmesan cheese on mine, and I will put Parmesan cheese on his as well. I don't have to measure his out, but so this is what I'm gonna have for my vegetable tonight. This is a lot, but I really like it and I make it quite often. So I will show you when I get my dinner finished and put together. Okay, my dinner is ready. So I have a fourth of a cup of Parmesan cheese on my zucchini onion sauteed, which is a power fuel, my last one for the evening. And I am having the ravioli formaggio. So I'll use some of that sauce on my zucchini. It's really good. And then I'm drinking this Ocean Spray cranberry pomegranate juice, and it's only 5 calories for a serving of an 8-ounce serving. So that's a free item. So anyway, this is what I'm going to have for dinner, and I'll get back to you when I do my snack. And the house is really quiet. Tim went to bed, and my kids are at college, so they're not here anyway. And I'm going to have the chocolate covered pretzels. And whoops, there's 6 of them in there, and I have had these multiple times, and the reason I've had them multiple times is because I really like them. Here, I'll show you one. They're kind of thicker, but I'm sitting in my rocking chair. I have the fire going, and I am gonna go to bed after I eat my pretzels. So good night. I'll see you in the morning.
So we had a great day at the ranch. We got a lot done. We still have a long ways to go, but it was a good day. It was a great day. And also, if you enjoyed this video, could you do me a favor and do the like button? Also, if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Have an amazing week.